Howdy y'all, I'm Purdy Jenkins, and today we're spilling the beans on how to get over 1 million views on YouTube Shorts every single time you post. Yeah, because we're obviously experts at this. First, you got to do something crazy like I'm talking you jumping out of a plane while eating a peanut butter and jelly sandwich, yum. Or wrestling an alligator in a tutu. Or how about this, train your cat to do your taxes. I mean, who wouldn't watch that? Especially if the cat gets a refund. But here's the real secret, y'all. You gotta create mystery. Like make a video titled, I found a secret portal to the 80s. Here's what I found. And when they click, it's just you in 1980s fashion, eating Cheetos and watching old reruns. Exactly. But don't forget the cliffhanger. End every video with, to see what happens next, you'll have to tune in next time. Yeah, because nothing keeps people coming back like unresolved snack mysteries. But for real, folks, just be yourself, you. Have fun, and don't be afraid to get a little wacky, like Jimmy's and I's. That's the way to get the real views. And if all else fails, just film your dog. Everybody loves woof woof dogs. Bark. Yup, dogs are instant views, all right. So y'all know what to do. Winding down that like button and hit that subscribe with a couple good shots. Hit it real good and then maybe touch it with your finger. See y'all next time.